Shelters are filling up to capacity on the Suncoast, and residents can breathe a sigh of relief knowing they're in a safe place.
We opened 24 shelters. We served over 25,000 evacuees, and we lovingly called them our guests.
Even if 1,000 of you want to come, we will turn no one away.
With all 24 of Manatee County's shelters filling up, Manatee opened a 25th. People still looking to get to safety.
And today, crews are busy getting classrooms back in order so the classes can resume on Monday.
I'm here today to help teachers reset up their classrooms and do whatever the school needs after being used as a shelter.
Today we've been able to prioritize some custodial staff at non-shelter school sites into the sites that were shelters, and that's huge.